Hello everyone, I'm Alfred from TTMC, Tengzhou Trade Union Machinery Company. Our company mainly produces the metalworking machines. Here today, I would like to introduce one of our main production line, the round bending machines. Here in front of me, there's a manual tube rulers. We call it TR60. This tube rulers could max bend 2-inch or the out diameter 2-inch tubes. Okay, I'll introduce this for you. And here, the bottom rulers, you can see here in the both sides there's like a teeth here. For this pressing is to put the lower rulers to make a different round bending radius. If you want a small radius, you could move the rulers near the upper rulers. Okay, yes, the two sides should be in the same place. Okay, it's a little. Okay, and here the bottom rulers here. This one I show you in the machine. It's a round tubes. You can see it's a round one, and also we have another different shapes of the tube rulers. It could work with square tube. The square tubes, rectangular tubes, and the C-channel, and such like this different shapes and profiles. And here is the upper ruler. This shaft is control the upper ruler up and down. In this view, I don't think you can see the rulers, but the upper ruler shape is the same as the lower rulers, and this shaft is to control the up and down to press the tubes inside to make the functions. And this handle is to drive the upper wheels. For this kind of machines, it could make a round circle like that. This is a tube we make before, and this machine is for this purpose. And if you only have some flat bar, but not tubes, so we recommend this model. You can see they are from the outside look similar, but the main difference is on the rulers here. You can see this is there's two movable rings on the shaft, on the lower ruler shaft. For this, you could bend different size. For example, if you need the flat bar you have, and here this function. Yes, it could slide in the grooves. This is the same like this, the similar like this one. It's just to, if you want a different radius, this you could adjust the distance between the lower rulers and the upper ruler distance, this distance, and it will affect the bending radius, and the further from the lower ruler to the upper ruler, it will be save the labors. Okay, these models are very popular for some home use or small workshops. They are very suitable for for home use also. And here there are manual one. You have to swivel the handle and work it. And here in this machine, in front there's two holes, and this hole therefore fixed on the workbench. When you work, the machine will keep stable, not move. Otherwise, it can't work easily. Also here, you can see here and here there's also a hose. The machine have 4 fixed holes in the front side and the back side. This to fix the work table, the machine on the workbench or some work tables. Also, we have a C-clamp that could be used to fix the machines. If you need any details, you could contact us. Okay, this is the manual one we have, but if you are for industrial purpose or you use it very usually, we recommend the hydraulic, the electric model. This is our basic smaller models. This is this machine. It's the same function of this one, but the main difference is this is motorized machines, and the rulers here you can see it's one piece. It's combination of the one piece by one piece. With different assemble the piece, the machine here just with this standard round bar. Okay, that means with this standard rulers, the machine could work with different profiles. The operation is very easily. And here I will introduce another model with motor power with power arm, but this I do not power it. Okay, now for this machine, it have a special function of horizontal using. The machine head could be fall down to use. Okay, now I'll show you how to make it. And you can see here and here, there's 2 bolts to fix it on. Okay, when you need horizontal use, you just have to release these 2 bolts. Okay, I released it before. These 2 bolts. And please be sure this do not miss it. Little heavy. Okay. Okay, now it's in the horizontal using, and here these bolts. When you use machines here in the bottom of this, there's a fixed hole. You must fix it well before you use it. I think in this condition, you can see here the rulers. There's one piece, and here it's a combination rulers. We call it combination rulers. In these rulers, we could make different profiles. And this machine is a gear drive. Sorry, wheels. This is the driven wheel. Okay, that's one I want to introduce you. And here in my right hand, there's another very popular models among our customers. This one is almost okay, not. This one, the difference is in the rulers. Here, the rulers are in the machine. is could only work with the flat bar, but this one we have a very big different pieces to assemble a set of rulers. Both of these models, two models, they are gear drive machines. It's very powerful working. The operation is just press the pedal to make the bottom rulers turn, and here it's the upper rulers. Upper rulers is to lift and down the upper ruler to press the tubes and make a circle. This, when you operate the machines, when you press the foot pedal, this part should be pressed down to make the tube in a round circle. And this is, I do not know if you can see it. And here the voltage is okay, 230 volts. We have two. We could make different voltages according customer request. So, and here, this part is a toolbox. This part, you can see there's different parts. In the upside here is electric box. Here is a toolbox. It's you could put some tools or rulers, special rulers you ordered into the toolbox. This machine also have the function of the horizontal ruling, like this one, and it's just almost the same, just to release the bolts and fall down the head. Okay, this one is a very popular model. Okay, next one here. This you can see. This is in the big size, but basically the outer shape is almost the same of these three models. I think you can see the main difference of the machine is in the here. Here is a hydraulic cylinder. This part is to control the upper ruler up and down. This will save a lot of labors. And if you have repeat working, you have continuous working every day, a lot of times, this will be a very good choice, because this will save a lot of time and labor. Okay, you can see this is high power. I will show you the operation of these machines. As this one have a hydraulic cylinder, so this is have a hydraulic station at the base of these machines. We have okay. Now is the power on. You can hear there's the hydraulic station is now working, and here in the control panel, this is up and down. This means the upper ruler position is up and down, and here you can see there's a gauge. This gauge will help you to make, for example, if you make a round circle and you want to make the same one, this will help you where is the position in. Okay, this is up. Yes, you can see it move very quickly, but okay, when it's down, it's a little slower than the up, because it has been mastered enough pressure to press the tubes inside. And here is the rolling. It's also in the gear transition inside. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Inside there's gears. Okay, this machine also only the two bottom rulers are the drive wheels. This is the driving wheel. When you put the tubes and press it, this wheel will round and turn round with these two bottom wheels. For this machine, you can see the gear head. Okay, I'll stop it. You can see here the gear is fixed on the bottom on the stand here. But this one could be also for horizontal working. This is a little complex, but it's for industrial purpose. It's very useful. It's very easily. There's a hydraulic station in the bottom here inside this stand. Just take out the hydraulic cylinder and fall down the whole machines. Fall down the whole machines to make horizontal using. And as this one is a hydraulic model. Here you can see there's a gauge. This is to control, to adjust the pressure. It's a system pressure. This shows the pressure, and this is for adjusting the pressure. Before we send the machine to you, we adjust the pressure wheel, and we do not recommend you adjust this knob after you receive the machines. And if you have any problems when using it, or you have some problem with the hydraulic system, please contact with us. Our engineer will give you a professional solution of this. And okay, in these two models, I've got an important part. This is a guide to when you put the materials in. Just lean this guard. This will keep the materials not out of the position. And here also is the combination rulers. And here you can see these rulers could also work with different profiles. For all these profiles, please note this is just with only this set of standard rulers, but do not need optional. This part do not need two of the optional rulers to work with. Just this set of rulers will be enough. Okay, that's all the machines I want to introduce you. And here you can see it's a flat bar we worked with before. It's not a round circle. We make just a half circle. Okay, this is the round bending machines I introduced you. Except these models, we also have other different sizes and different models. If you have any requests, you could email us or contact our online service. We will give you we will recommend the suitable machines to you according to your requests. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.